In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn yourself into a Barbie with ChatGPT. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT we will need to log in or sign up. And what we're going to do is we're going to log in. After you've logged in, we're going to type into ChatGPT. Also, this text will be in the video description down below. Use this image to create a picture of a school teacher Barbie, full figure in a box with accessories, pencils, eraser and workbooks. The package should read Schoolteacher Barbie Eva. And this is the image that we're going to attach. This is the image that we attached, and maybe you also heard of my voice. I'm not a woman, I'm a man. But here insert a picture of a woman or just insert a picture of yourself, whatever you would like. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on the black button here. Then ChatGPT says lots of people are creating images right now, so this might take a bit. We will notify you when your image is ready. So usually this will take up to 1, 2, 3 or 5 minutes. So ChatGPT just created the image. So this is the school teacher that we have right here, and yeah, it looks nice. What you can do is you can just talk to ChatGPT and you can like modify like everything you would like. So what we can do is make the dress red. Yeah, make the dress red, and then it says again, lots of people are creating images right now. This might take a bit, we will notify you. Again, this will take you 1, 2, 3 or 5 minutes. The image is created, we said make the dress red, ChatGPT made the dress red, and that's how cool it is. You can just talk to ChatGPT, hey, change this, add a pencil, add this, add that, and ChatGPT will do it for you. So I hope you will enjoy it. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment down below if this worked for you, and yeah, if you would like to have more videos like this, just subscribe to the channel.